This series is a complete course on trigonometry suitable for self-study, homeschooling, or as a supplement to standard or flipped courses at the high school or first-year college level. My name is Dennis Davis. I'm an engineer, not a mathematician. I have bachelor's and master's degrees in engineering and an MBA. I've taught probability and statistics and systems analysis and design to night school college students in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I've never before taught trigonometry formally. My day job is designing database structures for data warehouse applications. I intend to be an educator when I retire from information technology. My goal for this series is to deliver rich, high-quality content in small, concise portions. To that end, no video lecture includes an introduction except the first, TR-01, which referred you to this video. When teaching in person, sharing personalities can be an engaging way to make learning enjoyable. But for a one-way video experience, I've made the deliberate decision to avoid making the main series personality-driven. It won't necessarily be entertaining, but I hope you'll find it fast-paced and, most importantly, worth your time. I'll share my insights and experience on how you might remember or understand certain topics. But otherwise, I'd like this to be a Deliver the Facts Quickly series, with this video being the only rambling exception. My main point of emphasis throughout this series is that when studying trigonometry, memorization should rarely be required. If you can understand the basic concepts, and I'll cover them thoroughly and quickly, you can easily figure out or derive almost anything you might otherwise be asked to memorize. The video names are all prefixed with TR for trigonometry. When I began, I thought I might make multiple series on different subjects, so they'd all need a distinct prefix. But this course has been so much work and has taken so much more time than I thought it would, I may never finish another. But this one, at least, is still TR. The main video lectures all have names with the numeric suffix only, so TR-01 and TR-02 are part of the main series. These will be the rapid-fire, no-nonsense, just-the-facts videos. Each main series video includes an outline in the left panel with highlighted vocabulary words. I like outlines. I think they're great organizational tools and learning aids, and I hope they help you. Most videos in the main series will have a supplemental video containing extra problems and questions. These will have names with an X suffix, so video TR-02 has a supplemental video named TR-02X that has extra problems, questions, and solutions pertaining to the subject matter. These videos will be a little different from the main series. They'll start by stating the learning objectives for the corresponding main video. I don't declare the learning objectives in the main video because that would just slow them down. Also, there won't be an outline panel. The X videos will be a little more conversational and the pace might be a little slower since we'll often be working through math problems. Rarely there will be a completely optional video pertaining to a subject where I explain something that may be interesting but not usually considered mandatory to know in a trig class. These video names are suffixed with Z, and I reference them in the corresponding main video. I think they're all interesting and worth viewing. I'm assuming that when watching the series for the first time, viewers will watch TR-01, then TR-01X, then TR-02, and TR-02X, and so on. When you want to review the course or just certain concepts, you can simply watch the main series and skip the slower X videos with answered questions or worked out problems. I hope this flexibility is helpful so you can watch lecture content instead of worked out problems if you like. I hope you enjoy this series. If after reviewing it you know of others who might benefit from it, I hope you'll send them a link. Every content creator appreciates comments, likes, and subscribers, but I'll never slow down a lecture video by asking you to leave a comment, subscribe, or click like. So I'll do it now instead. Please leave comments, both encouraging and gently critical. If a particular video seems valuable and worth your time, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if the whole series seems valuable to you and you want to see more like it, please subscribe. The next video is TR-01, Introduction to Angles.